Samina and Safura to read annual report.
Present here. English Medium High School
commemorates another year of its existence and acknowledges the accomplishments of its students in academic, sports and extracurricular activities throughout the year.
Today, we the students of St. Anne's English Medium High School, Joharapuram, with joy and pride would like to list the list of achievements and progresses our institute has made this year.
The book of Proverbs 16:3 says, "Commit your work to the Lord and your plans shall succeed." We have been committed to create an environment with platform for individual thinking and holistic restructuring and refocus.
Together, we can change the world. This one random act of kindness at a time this year have been a very eventful one for us. We have made great efforts and have been extremely successful in most of our endeavors. St. Anne's not only prepares the students to qualify purely academic demands, but also special efforts have been made continuously to enable them to face the challenges for the competitive world.
It is a matter of great importance that the students who pass out from these patrols carry forward excellence in everything they do and become role models in the society. To be great. We are proud to acknowledge that we had outstanding results in SSC public examinations.
Your path, seeking God's mercy and trusting in His divine providence, invoking God's blessings for the academic year. When investiture ceremony was organized to relinquish the duties and responsibilities to the newly elected
2023 to 24. The captains of the four houses, daffodils, lotus, roses and shamrocks, along with the head girl, secretary,
also different tests, seminars and projects. A special parent-teacher meet was conducted after every test. We feel great pleasure to send that sisters, teachers, take care of each child and conduct revision test unit-wise.
SSC students were divided into groups, visiting the remedial students in their house to bring the out from them with regard to their studies. Tuition classes are conducted in the campus for SSC students up to 9 p.m. every day.
With all the efforts that were made and dedication of the staff, our students proves us, made us proud and elated. Overwhelmed
activities and programs were allotted to respective classes to bring out the talents of our students and the teachers. We feel proud to express about the different activities held in this regard.
To accomplish great things, we must not only act, but also dream. Not only dream, but also believe. With this dedication, our institution proves its excellence in all areas of academic and non-academic. We follow the regular course of as per the state ball, ring tennis, rangoli, mehendi. These competitions gives the students a space and courage.
Caring for our common home, the earth which is increases. Eco-week, say no to plastic. Plastic free, segregation of biodegradable and non-biodegradable, recycling of waste. With the help of teachers, the students brought awareness to reduce the use of plastic through the enactment, dramas, skits, slogans, dances and science exhibition. 3 days of Eco-week was conducted successfully. Independence Day was celebrated on August 15. Teachers Day was celebrated on September 5th. Children's Day was celebrated on November 14th. Christmas Day was celebrated on December 23rd. Republic Day was
Important.
each child is encouraged to observe finally to the
Seminars for the staff and the students. Arise, awake, stop not till the goal is set. Sisters of the province of the Immaculate Conception, Eastern India conducted a workshop on integrated training for the preschool teachers at Maria Nivas, the Animation Center in Vijayawada. Two of our teachers, Mrs. Lavanya and Mrs. Anita, were attended. With this motto, the staff meetings were conducted in every month in the year 2023 to 24 to enhance
city. It comes from unity. Sister Ratna Kumari, co-group member of the Education Committee from province, had come to conduct the inspection. She guided the staff and the students smartly.
sports and games. To be a great champion, you must believe you are the best. If you are not, keep trying. Sports competitions inculcates the spirit of positive challenges and sportsmanship among the students and prepare them life ahead. Sports, games and physical fitness occupy a place of importance in our curriculum.
They conclude by quoting a line,
Arise, awake, stop not till the goal reach. Thank you.